Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic reports in CRM. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So for reports in the CRM, first you have to visit the CRM option. So basically, CRM reports help to evaluate the company development, profit, and the most successful sale. You can go to the analytics. Here you show the option. You can go to the analytics. In the real-time analytics, you can click on the report section, where you visit the page of the report section, and you can create a report from the list of standard report. You can select the template. You can create the report by your own, and these are some of the predefined report that are provided by the Bitrix. So if I click on any of the report, so the standard report is now open in front of you, and you can add the filters and find out the report as per your requirements. Like you can mention the report for the period filter, you can mention type also, you can mention the responsible person name on which responsible behalf you are creating the report. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. For more content, drop your thoughts in comment below, and I will see you in the next one.